Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Vidyard account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the HTML embed code for your Vidyard video? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need the video HTML embed code anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that having video on your website can help increase conversions. And sometimes you want to go ahead and embed that video into one of your website pages. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Vidyard dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Vidyard account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get the HTML embed code for one of your videos, here on the left side, you're going to click on Library. Once you do that, you'll see all the videos you have in Vidyard. So just scroll through until you find the video that you want the HTML embed code. So for example, this one right here. And off to the right, you're going to see this little arrow. That's the share button. Click on there. Once you click there, you're going to see the Vidyard link. However, to get the HTML embed code, you're going to click on this icon right here, Embed Video. Okay, so here you're going to get a couple of different options for your HTML embed code. So if it's going to be an email campaign, you just click right here. However, generally it's going to be inline. Now, if you need to adjust the embed size, you can go ahead and put it here with the pixels on the width and the height. Once you've made those adjustments, you want to click here on Copy Code. Then you're going to get this confirmation that the code is now copied to your clipboard. So now you can go ahead and install that HTML embed code to your website or whoever's asking for the embed code. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get the HTML embed code for your Vidyard video, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.